it's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you till the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story is just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear, but your words speak much louder than all my fears.
Summertime heat bringing me back to the cold beer sun and the times we had. Something I could never forget is the way you said I love you, babe. Driving in our car, making all our plans, could have pressed pause forever. I don't wanna miss a minute, but life moves too fast. I wanna hold on to the moments of you and I. Could we go back to summertime love? Could we go back to summertime love? Summertime life bringing me back to moving slow, we never had a plan. Something I could never forget, making love when the rain was falling.